How the right SOX machine put-on can improve your production efficiency. Introduction. In the competitive world of SOX manufacturing, staying ahead of competitors is crucial. One powerful way to achieve this is by utilizing advanced SOX machine put-on technology. This article aims to provide foreign trade developers with in-depth insights and actionable strategies to leverage advanced SOX machine put-on systems to enhance productivity, efficiency, and overall business success. Stay ahead of competitors with advanced SOX machine put-on. To truly stay ahead of competitors, it is essential to understand the various aspects of advanced SOX machine put-on technology. This section will delve into the key benefits, challenges, and best practices associated with these machines. The power of advanced SOX machine put-on. Problem: in the dynamic SOX manufacturing industry, companies often struggle with inefficient production processes, leading to delays, increased costs, and subpar product quality. Traditional SOX machines may not keep up with the increasing demand and complex designs that modern consumers expect. Agitation. Imagine a production line where every pair of socks takes longer to produce, resulting in missed deadlines and unhappy customers. This scenario can severely impact your reputation and bottom line. The frustration of dealing with frequent machine breakdowns and high maintenance costs can be overwhelming. Solution: enter advanced SOX machine put-on systems. These state-of-the-art machines are designed to handle complex designs and large volumes with remarkable efficiency. By incorporating advanced technology, they reduce downtime, minimize maintenance costs, and significantly boost production speed and quality. Benefits: with advanced SOX machine put-on, you can achieve higher output, better product quality, and lower operational costs. This translates into greater customer satisfaction, repeat business, and a stronger competitive position in the market. How advanced SOX machine put-on can revolutionize your business. Problem: many SOX manufacturers face the challenge of balancing high production demands with maintaining consistent quality. Traditional machines often fail to meet these expectations, leading to increased waste and rework. Agitation. Picture a scenario where your production line is constantly bogged down by machine malfunctions, leading to costly delays and excessive waste. The frustration of not being able to meet market demands and losing customers to competitors can be disheartening. Solution: advanced SOX machine put-on systems are engineered to overcome these challenges. They feature cutting-edge technology that ensures precision, consistency, and reliability in every production run. These machines are capable of handling intricate designs and producing large quantities without compromising quality. Benefits: by investing in advanced SOX machine put-on technology, you can streamline your production processes, reduce waste, and meet market demands with ease. This will not only enhance your reputation for quality but also attract new customers and retain existing ones. Key features of advanced SOX machine put-on. High precision. Advanced SOX machine put-on systems offer unparalleled precision in knitting, ensuring each sock meets exact specifications. Increased efficiency. These machines are designed for high-speed operation, significantly increasing production output without sacrificing quality. Versatility. Capable of handling various sock designs, from basic to complex patterns, these machines cater to diverse market needs. Reduced downtime. With advanced diagnostics and automated maintenance alerts, these machines minimize downtime and keep your production line running smoothly. Energy efficiency. Modern SOX machine put-on systems are built with energy-efficient components, reducing operational costs and environmental impact. Implementing advanced SOX machine put-on in your production line. Problem: transitioning to new technology can be daunting, especially when it involves a significant investment and potential disruption to your current operations. Agitation, the fear of production halts, training challenges, and the initial investment cost can make you hesitant to adopt new technology. The uncertainty of whether the benefits will outweigh the costs adds to the hesitation. Solution: a strategic implementation plan can mitigate these concerns. Begin by conducting a thorough assessment of your current production processes and identifying areas where advanced SOX machine put-on can provide the most value. Engage with reputable suppliers who offer comprehensive training and support. Benefits: a well-planned implementation can result in a seamless transition, minimal disruption, and immediate improvements in productivity and quality. The long-term benefits of increased efficiency and reduced costs will far outweigh the initial